Hey everyone, Brian from D.I.G.S Marketing here. Today, I'm going to change gears a little bit, switch it up, and talk about a topic that I haven't discussed much in my videos: content strategy for B2B software companies. In the past year, I've had the privilege of working with 10 plus B2B software companies, and one of the biggest lessons that I've learned in this past year is that your content must be valuable and resonate with your ICP. This may sound obvious, but it's actually not. So usually when my clients produce a new content piece, I ask them this one question. If one of their top prospects saw this content piece in their LinkedIn feed or in their email inbox, would they actually stop and click to read it? If the answer from my client is I'm not sure or probably not, it's time to rethink your content strategy because it won't be effective. It's not just about pushing content out in the world just so it's out there. It actually needs to capture the attention of our prospects, our prospective buyers, who are seeing a ton of different ads, emails, content pieces that are popping up in their LinkedIn and email, right? So if your content is not super valuable, it's not going to capture the attention and actually get someone to read or engage with. The days of just churning out endless blog posts for SEO purposes are long gone. The key today is high quality content. I'm talking about industry reports, unique insights, thought leadership pieces, webinars featuring guests that are well known in the space, things that your prospects actually care about and help them build their business. This is the kind of content that actually resonates with your audience and makes them pay attention. So this content takes longer to create and more time and money and resources to actually get out in the world, but it's what's needed to capture prospects' attention in this day and age. High quality content educates and helps solve your prospects' problems, which provides real value and builds you up as a thought leader and a trusted source of information for your prospects. So the big takeaway here is that your content is not just a quantity game anymore. It is a quality game. One long form, really thought out, well-researched piece of content can have more impact than a dozen blog posts that are insightful or not that engaging. It's about what's focusing on what truly resonates with your prospect database and your prospect audience. If you're interested in learning more about B2B SaaS marketing for Series A and Series B companies, please reach out to me or click the link below to learn about what we've got going on at D.I.G.S Marketing. Thanks.